front of me is Honor 20E, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, enroll these settings, then find and select home screen and wallpaper, then click on wallpaper, and now you can choose either something from your own gallery, just pick the picture, or one from default wallpapers, for example this one. And if you would like to make it scrollable, just mark this picture. You can also add a blur function right here, and then you can customize it. Not sure if on this picture it will be visible. Okay, so you can see it. However, let me choose, for example, this one, and here you'll be able to see the change properly. As you can see, it's almost non-visible. And then when you pick the picture that you would like to cover your screen with, just tap on confirmation mark, and then pick if it's for lock, home, or both screens. I will choose both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, you've got brand new pictures on both lock and home screens. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.